Alright, whānau, I'm here with the SoilandSand creator, director, and ultimate masturbator now.
You better shush. You better shush.
That was like the first thing that come to my head.
The ultimate master.
Innovator. How long has SoilandSand been going for?
Bro, you wouldn't believe it, but this year is our 10th year in business. So we've been going from like way back in the rā, you know, just selling out of our waka, selling to just whānau members, to you know, to slowly, gradually building our products and selling to like on stores and online. Probably Te Matatini was the biggest stage that we were on, you know, in terms of being surrounded by amazing pakihi. So yeah, 10 years.
So what was your fellow's first drop?
Yeah, it was just like, you know, grab the AS colour tees, what's on special. When we first started our business, we were doing screen printing. So we do all the screen printing ourselves. So we got a setup, got a price. It was within our price range. It was around the $6,000 to get a press, heat press. So we started like that, and our first tees was our iwi tees, Ngāti Wai tees, and that was our first t-shirt we sold. So shout out if you still got one of those.
From 10 years ago.
10 years ago.
10 years ago to this.
Oh,
no.
Hey.
The boys got all the gears. You got all the gears up on the wall. What's your latest merch about? Everyone's seen it online. So we've got the
range,
up to a Māori range.
Those were the items we dropped in at Te Matatini. So kind of incorporating all of our atua to just showcase on what we have and what we do with our basketball singlets. So having a twist on those with the different sports teams, different basketball teams. And then the latest drop we did was the 3 jerseys. So
the NHL, what do they call them?
So I got a baseball jersey, ice hockey jersey, and a gridiron jersey. NFL jersey. So just playing on the different teams. Like obviously, if you had a look at them, you could tell which team they were kind of taking inspiration from.
So what would you say got you into like apparel?
So I've always been a sketcher, like from way back.
Oh, true.
I started drawing it, like, you know, at a young age. We never had a TV, so I was always just sketching. And then slowly just developed that over the years. And then I didn't even think you could make money from art. You know, I started doing other stuff like working in bars and restaurants and doing all of that. And it wasn't until we moved back to New Zealand that I realised I need to do something with this art, and so I transitioned it from the paper to doing screen printing, putting it onto the clothes, and then it just evolved from there. So
Mickey, my bro, and bro, no here, brother. Where are you from?
Where
do you hail from?
So
in the land.
I'm whangariru born and raised, Ngāti Wai, huru ki te maunga mōkau Taua, you know, all of that. From te Taitokerau, travelled overseas, done all of that, but came back home because, you know, home is where your heart is and where all your nannies are, who can still clip you around the ears, you know, so you had to come home and start this brand from home. We always wondered if it would work in Australia, you know, doing SoilandSand, but I guess it just wouldn't feel right.
I mean, bro. Well, that's a bit of an inside whānau of SoilandSand and where they've come from, you know. So, thank you, my brother.
Yeah, shut up.
Appreciate that, my bro.
Shout out to you, my bro.
And I've got the pleasure of meeting the bro at Matatini. Always seen his gears, and then finally got to personally meet the bro. And he's been annoying me online ever since. But make it, my brother.